Gigi. This cat is out cold. Morning, Gigi. Say hi. Don't you just look so cute sitting over there, Zoey? Are you flying? Yeah? Are you flying while Mom's editing? I'm trying to upload this vloggity vlog. Where did I steal that from? Vloggity vlog. Morning! So, today is Saturday. And guess what that means? That means Samantha comes home today. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. And I think her and I are going to the beach tonight. So, I will definitely be bringing you guys along with us so you can see her. I know she's in the graduation vlog and the arcade day vlog, but she has not been seen on the vlogs in a really long time. So, the next few weeks are going to be a lot of Sam and I, so look forward to all that fun craziness, because when the two of us are together, things can get a little crazy, because we're like crazy together. Crazy twin time. So look forward to that craziness. And I will see you guys throughout the day. Bye. Is it just me, or does she look like she's sitting crooked? I can't tell. Zoey? Are you sitting crooked? Can you guys see that, or is it just me? She looks like she's like leaning to one side than the other. Are you crooked, kitty? Are you a cute kitty? Are you a cute kitty? Sniff the internet. Say good morning. Say good morning. Oh, she looks like she's gonna attack now. Oh no! Got our tail whipping. Tail whipping. Tail whipping. Just turn that. So I started packing for the trip. I packed like the bag that we're gonna take into Universal's with us. And I'm like, always feel like I'm forgetting something. So when Sam comes over today, I'm gonna have her like double, triple check. See if I'm missing anything. What is that cat doing over there? I finally had to change the batteries. The camera just died on me. It totally died. So we were looking at this little crazy cat, seeing what she was doing. Guess she's just cleaning. So like I said, I started the packing process, which is fun but not fun at the same time because you can forget so many things. So now, crap, to reward myself, I'm gonna read. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Look at that cute little kitty. What are you doing, Zoey? Are you sleeping? I look so tired. Oh, you're so cute. Oh, you sitting there. Alright. Let's go see what the other 3 kitty cats are doing. Go check on them. Check on them. Oh no, I don't see any. Oh, there's Gigi. Can we see her from back here? Right. There she is. You blend in. Huh? Do you blend in? Look how cute you look. Where are the other 2? Gigi? Do you think Neo's outside? Alright. Do we think Paris is under the bed too? Oh, are you purring? I hope you guys can hear her purring. Oh. So cute. I love my little Gigi. So cute. Let's see if we can find Paris, G. Paris is probably under the bed, where she normally is. Oh, there she is. Hi, Pear. How's the Paris doing? It's really dark under here. And it's not focusing. I think it's because it's too dark. Alright, Paris. Now let's see, do we think we'll be able to find Neo? I really don't know. He's probably outside. Let's see. That's where I would assume he is. Outside. Outside. Oh, it's bright out. And his little hiding spot? Yep, there's his little feet. There's the Neo. There's the Neo. Alright, so we found all the cats. So now I'm going to go make lunch. And then after I make lunch, I think I'm going to, watch some YouTube videos and just catch up on those and all that fun stuff. And I'm not sure what time Sam will be in town, so hopefully we can still make it to the beach tonight. That would be really nice. And like I said, I will bring you guys along to the beach, so that'll be hopefully what we do this afternoon. I'll see you guys later. Zoey to play, but she's just laying on the ground. Get it, Zoe. Get it. So I've told you guys before, my mom works at a pool store. These are one of the fanoodle float things she brought home. And Zoe is figuring it out. Not interested. So it's a aqua rider. It's a gator. And she got it for Samantha because Samantha went to UF and they're the gators. So I don't know if it's a crocodile or a gator. Whatever. She'll like it. I'm still waiting for her to come home. She's still on the west coast of Florida. She's still doing her stuff. So hopefully she'll be here soon so we can go to the beach tonight at some point. So it's been a slow day. Zoe, try to help Mom clean. She's like, they're just gonna sit in her way. Get it, though. Come play. No? You're boring. She did it. She got stuck by the boxes. What are you doing, Goofy? Yeah, she got stuck by a box. Where'd you go? Zoe. Oh, I see a little paw. Oh. What are you doing under there, Goof? What are you doing? I think we found her. Hi, Pear. Hi. What are you doing?
We constantly evolve to meet your needs every day of the week. CenturyLink, You're
Somebody
ready to what's
sleeping?
next. Yeah, I'm gonna need 40,000 pairs of flippers, 70,000 bags of ice, 33,000 tubes of sunscreen.
Neo, you waiting for
A
food?
cake with a lady inside, a cake with a dude inside, and then a cake with some cake inside.
Neo.
For all people that love some cake. Why wake up? Let's find out a sexy inside. Yeah, I'm back. What's that? Oh, yeah. That was perfect. Did I have your rights?
Bud Light is creating a town this summer, and you could go. Find out more at upforwhatever.com.
Me? I don't just wait for a moment. I watch for the perfect moment. The one nobody else sees. And when I find...
There's Zoe to say goodnight. Alright guys, so it is time to end this vlog. We did not go to the beach. Sam came in and she was tired. So we'll see, maybe we'll go tomorrow. But it's kind of a slow, boring day today. Didn't really do much. Stayed at home with this little butt. Right? Did we stay at home? Was it a slow day today? Yeah. Say goodnight. But we both, Zoe and I, appreciate you guys for watching. Thank you so much. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe, because the next week or two is going to be a lot of fun. So with Sam being home, we'll definitely be doing more fun things. And the vacation is coming up, so we'll definitely do that. And I don't know what we have planned for tomorrow. So join us, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a good night. Good night, guys.